So hi guys, my name is Fateh and our today's topic is about 3D printing. So basically 3D printing, three-dimensional 3D printing is the manufacturing process that creates physical objects from digital design by layering materials such as plastics, metals and ceramics, also known as additive manufacturing. 3D printing allows for the creation of complex shapes and structure that cannot be produced through traditional manufacturing methods. Benefits of 3D printing: rapid prototyping, quickly test and iterate on design, increased complexity, create complex geometries and structures, customization, produce tailored products for individual needs, reduce material waste, additive process, minimize excess material, improved productivity, automate production and reduce labor cost, enhanced innovation, enable new product design and businesses models. 3D printing applications: aerospace, lightweight components, aircraft parts, automotive, car parts, prototypes, tooling. Healthcare, custom implants, prosthetics, surgical models, consumer products, phone cases, jewelry, or household items. Industrial, machine parts, tools, production aids, art and architecture, complex sculpture, building models, 3D printing technologies. Fused deposition modeling, FDM, stereolithography, SLA, selective laser sintering, SLS, binder jetting, directed energy deposition, laminated object manufacturing. Challenges and limitations: material property, limited material options, property, scalability, large scale production and speed, cost, high equipment material cost, post processing additional, processing step required, standardization, lack of industry standards, intellectual property, protecting against digital design. The future of 3D printing holds much promise with advancement in technologies, materials and application expected to give drive, growth and innovation. Here are some additional points about 3D printing. 3D printing materials: plastic, ABS, PLA, PETG; metals, aluminium, steels and titanium; ceramics, glass, carbon fiber, wood-based material, bioplastics, conductive materials. 3D printing software: computer-aided design, slicing software, 3D modeling software, Blender and Tinkercad, printer controller software, Octoprint repeater. 3D printing application in education: STEM education, art and design classes, architecture and engineering programs; medical and dental education, research and innovation. 3D printing in healthcare: custom prosthetics and implants, surgical models and planning, personalized medicine and pharmaceuticals; medical devices, development, tissue engineering and bioprinting. 3D in space exploration: in space manufacturing, satellite components, spacecraft parts, astronaut tools and equipment; planetary colonization. 3D printing trends: increased adoption in industries, advancement in materials and technologies, growing demand for sustainable and eco-friendly materials; expansion of 3D printing in education and research, development of new business models and services. There are just few examples of the many exciting development and application in the field of 3D printing. As the technology continue to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative uses and advancement in the future. 3D printing application in education: STEM education, art and design classes, architecture and engineering program, medical and dental education, research and innovation. 3D printing in healthcare: custom prosthetics and implants, surgical models and planning, personalized medicine, and pharmaceuticals, medical devices development, tissue engineering. Thank you.